In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the car battery from this Mercedes W204 generation C-Class. So until now I had the charger on it, therefore we can begin testing the cold cranking amps. At the end of the video we're going to see how to register the battery change and if you need to do that. Okay, so let's remove this cover. So there are many ways to test the battery. I'm going to use first this tester. Here you can see the values of the battery. We've got 800 cold cranking amps. We've got 800, let's see. And we've got 29% lifetime. And basically just over half of the cold cranking amps. Now I will just start the engine and see how much the voltage will drop. It shouldn't go below 10 volts. You have basically two main components, the battery and the alternator, and you'll not notice if one goes bad unless the other will go bad as well. So that's why it's important to keep an eye on the charging system and the battery itself. So with that being said, let's see how to safely remove this battery from here without needing to reset the computer or reset anything on the dashboard. I'm gonna basically connect a 12 volt battery, a separate 12 volt battery on this positive terminal and obviously on the ground. In that way I'm gonna keep everything alive. So we can keep this battery here, make sure we have a good contact. And now we can safely remove this main battery. Let's remove the terminals. Now on the side here you're gonna find two 30mm. But make sure you don't touch this positive side, because that's gonna be bad. And this was the bracket holding the battery. And now I can take it out. So the battery is on. Now let's put this bracket in there. I've got the bolt here. Let's fix this bolt in here. And let's go to battery, start, and Mercedes. So it looks like this car doesn't need to register the battery unless you have a C-Class W205 or E-Class. I can probably try to do this, but I don't think it's gonna work. And we've got no communication. At least I cannot do that with this scan tool. Thanks for watching. As usual, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Have a nice day, take care, and I will see you in the next video.